Welcome everyone to the channel Golden Garden Moments. In today's video, we'll be talking about 10 Dollar Tree DIY project ideas you can do to make your garden ready for fall. Before we dive in, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to help our channel grow. All right, let's get those Dollar Tree DIYs ready for the video. I'll break down each of the 10 projects with detailed conversational explanations. Let's go! 1. Pumpkin patch planters. All right, for our first project, we're going to grab some of those plastic or foam pumpkins. These are the perfect base for our planters. You'll want to take a utility knife and carefully cut a circle out of the top. Be sure to ask for help if you're not comfortable with this step. Now, let's give them a new look. Grab some matte white, gold, or copper spray paint and give them a quick coat. Once dry, you can place a small plastic liner or a terracotta pot inside. Just like that, you've got yourself the cutest, most festive fall planters for your mums. 2. Solar light fairy garden. Ready to add a little magic to your garden? This one is so much fun. Grab a few of the solar lights from the aisle and a couple of those adorable miniature figurines. We're also going to need some pebbles. Now, find a nice little corner in your garden bed or a shallow planter. Simply push the solar lights into the soil, scatter your pebbles around them, and carefully place your little figurines. When the sun goes down, those little lights will come on, and you'll have a glowing, enchanting fairy garden that will make you smile every time you see it. 3. Tiered tray herb garden. This next one is a real showstopper. We're going to take a couple of those plastic serving trays or plates and a candle holder. All right, for this step, we'll use some strong adhesive to glue the plates onto the top of the candle holder, creating a beautiful tiered stand. You can even use different sized plates to get a really nice effect. Once that's all set, arrange your favorite small herb pots on the tiers. You can even create some fun, hand-painted garden markers to label them. It's an elegant way to display your herbs and a fantastic centerpiece for your outdoor space. 4. Dollar Tree DIY Wind Chimes. I absolutely love this next project because it gives such a rustic, beautiful sound. Start by finding a nice sturdy branch in your yard. Now, head to the Dollar Tree and pick out some metal spoons, forks, or any other small metal trinkets you can find. Using some twine or fishing line, tie the metal pieces to the branch at different lengths. Now for the final touch, add a few colorful faux leaves or berries to the branch with some hot glue. Hang it from a hook and listen to that lovely melodic sound it makes in the wind. 5. Painted terracotta pot makeover. Let's transform those plain, basic terracotta pots into something truly special. Grab a few pots and head to the craft aisle for some acrylic paints. This is your chance to get creative. You can use stencils to add a pumpkin or a pretty leaf design, or just freehand some simple stripes or dots. Once your design is dry, we'll want to protect it from the weather. So, just give it a quick spray with a clear sealant, and now you have beautiful custom pots that look like they cost way more than they did. If you're enjoying the video so far and want to help our channel grow, please be sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Your support means a lot. Now let's continue with number 6. Mason jar garden lanterns. Okay, this next DIY is all about creating some cozy ambiance. Grab a couple of those classic mason jars. For this step, we're going to fill the bottom with something that holds a little light, like colored pebbles, sand, or a handful of faux leaves. Now, carefully place a battery-powered tea light on top of that layer. If you want to hang them, just tie a little twine or ribbon around the mouth of the jar. Hang them from some hooks on your patio or in a tree, and watch them glow as the sun goes down. It's just so warm and inviting. 7. Faux concrete garden ornaments. This is my favorite hack on the list. It looks so high-end. Find any plastic figure, vase, or old urn you want to upgrade. Now, we're going to create a special paint mixture. Take some craft paint and mix in a generous amount of baking soda. The baking soda is the secret ingredient. Now, paint a nice thick coat all over your plastic figure. As it dries, the baking soda creates this amazing, gritty, stone-like texture that makes it look exactly like expensive concrete. No one will ever know you made it yourself. 8. DIY decorative garden trellis. All right, for this one, let's get a little structural. Pick up a few packs of those bamboo skewers or thin wooden dowels. This step is all about creating a simple decorative trellis. Just lay them out in a crisscross or grid pattern and use some twine or zip ties to secure the joints. You can make it as big or as small as you need. This is a perfect way to give a little extra support to climbing plants or to add a unique visual accent in a large potted plant. It's so simple but looks fantastic. 9. Custom garden signs. Let's get personal with this next project. Find a small wooden plaque or even a piece of scrap wood from your yard. For this step, we're going to get some acrylic paint and stencils. You can write something fun like pumpkin patch or harvest. You can also freehand a design if you feel comfortable. Once your text is dry, you can add a few final touches like a little bit of glitter or some small faux leaves. This is a great way to add a bit of seasonal charm to a fence, a door, or even a porch planter. 10. Easy upcycled bird feeder. Our final project is not just a great decoration, it's also a gift for our feathered friends. Grab a small plate and a bowl from the dinnerware aisle. For this step, we'll use a strong adhesive to glue the bowl to the center of the plate, creating a pedestal. Let that dry completely, and then you can fill the bowl with birdseed. Now you have a beautiful, effective, and incredibly inexpensive feeding station for the birds to enjoy all season long. It's a wonderful way to bring a little extra life to your garden this fall. Thanks for watching! I hope you found some inspiration for your garden this week. If you try out any of these DIY projects, we'd love to see what you create. Share your experiences in the comments below. We're excited to hear about your projects. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time!